Okay, so I'm going to walk you through Service Plus. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to go to the bottom. There's two ways to get there, but this is a business account, so the plus sign at the bottom. Hello. Okay, and now we're going to click on the live beside the post. Now, ignore that. Settings. Tap on the settings, and then you're going to scroll down, and you can see live setup for client acquisition. You see this? And then you see unlock the power of live. You can see add an introduction schedule. See, it says join Service Plus. I have Service Plus, so I just tap on it, and this is what it looks like, okay? So you can click on this, the three dots beside blueprint, link, and profile. I can click on that, and it says edit. I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to make sure this is the way that I want it set up. So go through each part. Name, I put blueprint, link, and profile. So they can actually just get it themselves. Grab the blueprint to see how I get 914 per sale from home. So you could put in whatever you like, and then it says, how do I grab? This is the most important part. How do I grab the blueprint? So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Edit. And it says, how do I grab it? And then as soon as you put in your question, whatever you're going to put there, and then you go done, and then it says add the reply. So this is where you can actually put in your link. It says grab the blueprint, and then there's the thing. Now I'm going to add to this. No, I can't. I'm at my 80. I was going to add to it, but I can't. I just realized that. So this is where you can put it in. Then you don't have to say anything else. They're going to grab that if they're interested, right? This is an optional thing that sometimes you just got to try stuff. I said, can you walk me through? I'm ready to purchase. We're not playing around with words at all. And then it says, yes, message me Zoom only if you're ready. Okay. Cause we don't want Zoom meetings if they're not serious, if they're not ready. Greeting message. Hi, nice to meet you. That's when they come into the room. And then when down here on the bottom, you say pin notice, a 30-second notice is shown. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm actually going to go live for like 5 minutes and show you how to pin it. So it says grab the blueprint, link in bio. So we can do this. I'm going to click save, and then I'm just going to get out of that. Now let me show you another way. I'm going to exit out. You could go to TikTok Studio on the front of your thing and scroll down and go to tools and resources. You see tools and resources? We're going to click on the little right arrow, and then it brings up all these other options. There's Service Plus, second row, second one down, the box with the little arrow. That's it. And then you're back where all this is again. So you just click on the little three dots, shortcut for viewers, your service bio, tap on those three little dots, edit, and then I'm back in. So different ways to get in access, okay? So let's play with this for a second, and I'm gonna go live, okay? So I'm gonna click on the live. I'm just gonna show you this. I'm gonna make that smaller in case anybody comes in here. So we're going to go live, okay? Now, all right, so you're going to see right here this little box and this little arrow, and I'm gonna tap on it. Now you see what's on my screen, right? It says blueprint, link, and profile. See the little pin? So I'm gonna tap that. And up pops the box. You see now people, when they come in, hello, when they come in, they can actually see this blueprint, link, and profile. So they'll actually be able to, and you can do this every 3 minutes. So I'm just recording this so that you guys know how this works, okay? So it'll just disappear in a minute, and then in 3 more minutes, you can tap that little box with the arrow. It'll pop up, it'll pin it again, and you're good to go. That's exactly how you do this, okay? Now let me end this live because I really don't want people coming in.